more and more people every year take part. This year we've got at least close to 1 million people.
It's good to see a lot of other countries pushing to have the Guinness World Record also.
Thousands of people are participating in this event on this day.
Can we break a world record? Best way to start the day.
The aim was to get 50 couples hugging for 1 minute.
I wish my fiancée was here, but she's in bed.
It's a great start to Guinness World Records Day. It's good to kick off the day with a successful attempt.
It's just great that everyone's got involved.
It's all in the mind when you put the clamp on to the hair and just go for it.
I think the kids did a fantastic job. Quite a few of them had never even been on the ice before.
Sydney has seen us walk around in our bikinis.
You've raised around $35,000.
It would have been really nice if we got the Guinness World Record today, but we were pretty close.
It's nice to be a part of something that's a lot bigger than I am. It's been going on for a lot longer than I've been here, and it's going to keep going on probably a lot longer than I'm going to be around.
Just keep them swinging, and I'll tell you when to quit. Yes, sir!
I feel excited. It's a fantastic feeling.
We felt that Finland deserved to have the Guinness World Record for the most nationalities in the sauna because Finland is the home of the sauna.
It's important for Finland to have this Guinness World Record because sauna comes from Finland, sauna belongs to Finland, this record belongs to Finland.
Wonderful achievement for me.
It's kind of like this healthy competitive spirit between the whole world.
It's very important to be the best in the world.
We're very proud to be part of the Guinness World Record Day.
Everyone's had such a good spirit about getting involved. Guinness World Records, do it.
I'm very happy to win the Guinness World Record.
A bombazza Guinness World Record Day! Yeah!